Ever dreamed of turning your backyard into a Mediterranean oasis, right here, in your own small space? Imagine basking in the warmth of a rustic Italian garden, with fragrant herbs like rosemary and thyme filling the air, terracotta pots lining the pathways, and vibrant flowers peeking through the greenery. Today, I'm going to show you how to make this dream a reality, no matter the size of your yard. Ready to create a peaceful retreat that brings a little Italian charm into your life? Let's get started. Creating a Mediterranean garden isn't just about aesthetics. It's about crafting a peaceful retreat that works with your lifestyle, especially for those of us who are looking for a low-maintenance yet beautiful outdoor space. As we age, the last thing we want is a garden that's hard to care for or demands too much time and effort. That's where the magic of Mediterranean-inspired gardens comes in. These gardens are designed to be simple, with hardy, drought-resistant plants that require minimal attention, perfect for seniors who want to enjoy the beauty of nature without the stress of constant upkeep. Whether you're starting with a tiny patio or a small backyard, a rustic Mediterranean garden can turn your space into a calming sanctuary. Picture yourself relaxing by a bubbling fountain, the scent of lavender filling the air, and a cup of tea in hand as you soak in the serenity of your surroundings. Today, I'm going to share some simple, practical ideas that will not only bring charm and elegance to your garden, but also create a space you'll love spending time in every day. Before we dive into these creative ideas, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell so you never miss out on more gardening tips, tricks, and inspiration, especially designed for seniors like you. Let's grow together. Mediterranean gardens have a rich history, deeply rooted in the natural landscapes of southern Europe, specifically Italy, Greece, and Spain. These regions, with their warm climates and rugged terrains, have given birth to garden designs that are as functional as they are beautiful. The Mediterranean style is known for its laid-back, effortless charm. It's about embracing the natural beauty around us and creating an outdoor space that feels like an extension of the environment itself. If you close your eyes and imagine a Mediterranean garden, you'll likely picture a space filled with vibrant, earthy colors, rich terracotta pots, warm golden tones, and lush green plants like olive trees, lavender, and rosemary. These gardens are built on texture and contrast, the smoothness of stone paths, the roughness of wood, and the softness of fragrant herbs and flowers. And it's this mix of tactile elements that makes Mediterranean gardens so inviting. Each texture, each plant, is designed to engage the senses in a way that brings relaxation and calm to those who spend time in them. But what makes the Mediterranean style so perfect for seniors is not just its beauty, it's the practicality. These gardens are all about low maintenance, adaptable spaces that require minimal upkeep. Take the traditional raised garden beds, for example. Raised beds not only help keep the plants healthy and easy to tend to, but they also take the strain off our backs, eliminating the need for bending down to garden. This makes it easier for anyone with mobility concerns to care for their space and enjoy the process without the discomfort of kneeling or crouching. Another key feature of Mediterranean gardens is the use of compact, accessible pathways. Think smooth, wide, no slipstone or gravel paths that wind through the garden. These paths create an inviting flow throughout the space while being wide enough for walkers or wheelchairs. This means you can still move freely around the garden, enjoy its beauty, and sit back in a comfortable nook, whether you're using a cane, a walker, or simply want to ensure you have space to walk around with ease. Mediterranean gardens can be created in small areas, which is another huge benefit. You don't need a large backyard to bring this style to life. Even the smallest patio or balcony can be transformed into a relaxing retreat with the right plants and design elements. It's about making the most of the space you have, using elements like vertical gardens or container plants to maximize your garden's potential, creating a cozy space that's as easy to maintain as it is to enjoy. So whether you have a sprawling yard or a small corner in your home, Mediterranean gardens provide a perfect balance of beauty, simplicity, and practicality. They bring the natural world right to your doorstep, creating a peaceful retreat where you can relax, reflect, and reconnect with nature, all with minimal effort. Now, let's explore some unique ideas that will make your Mediterranean garden not only beautiful but also senior-friendly. These ideas will help you create a space that's both functional and full of character, all while keeping things low maintenance. 1. Rustic pathways. One of the simplest yet most effective ways to add charm and practicality to your garden is by creating rustic pathways. Think about winding paths made from natural stone or pebbles. These paths give your garden an inviting, organic feel, while also serving a functional purpose. For seniors, the key is making these paths easy to navigate. Opt for wider pathways to make room for walkers or wheelchairs, and make sure the surfaces are non-slip. A sturdy stone path or gravel surface ensures safe footing while still adding that rustic, Mediterranean vibe. The beauty of these paths lies in their simplicity. They can curve and meander through your garden, encouraging you to explore every corner, yet still be practical enough to move through with ease. And let's not forget air. They help define the space and bring a sense of flow to your garden, adding character and style without overwhelming the space. 2. Simple container gardens. For a low-maintenance yet fragrant addition to your garden, terracotta or wooden containers are the perfect solution. Plant them with Mediterranean favorites like lavender, rosemary, and thyme, herbs that thrive with minimal care and smell absolutely divine. Not only do these plants bring the essence of the Mediterranean right to your backyard, but they also serve a practical purpose, adding culinary benefits for those who love to cook. Terracotta pots are perfect for this. They're durable, easy to move around, and they develop that charming weathered look over time. You can place them around your garden, on patios, or even in a window box to add a pop of color and fragrance. Plus, you can enjoy fresh herbs just a few steps from your kitchen. What could be better? 3. Vertical gardens. If you're working with limited space, vertical gardening is your new best friend. Climbing plants like jasmine or bougainvillea are perfect for trellises, adding beautiful height and vibrant color to your garden without taking up valuable floor space. Vertical gardens are easy to maintain and require very little bending or squatting, ideal for seniors who want a garden that's easy to care for. All you need is a trellis or wall-mounted planter, and these climbing plants will do the rest, filling the air with their fragrant blooms and giving your garden an elegant, Mediterranean feel. You can train them to climb, twist, and turn, creating a stunning vertical display of greenery and flowers that's both beautiful and practical. 4. Mediterranean focal points. Finally, let's talk about those rustic focal points that really bring your garden to life. Think vintage lanterns, small fountains, or handmade pottery. These pieces not only add personality to your space, but also create a cozy, inviting atmosphere. A small fountain can provide a soothing sound of trickling water, while lanterns can add a soft, warm glow to your garden at night. Handmade pottery or rustic ceramic pieces can be the perfect finishing touch. These items don't just enhance the aesthetics of your garden, they also make it feel like a lived-in, personal space, a place that's yours to relax and enjoy. These focal points can easily be added to any corner, creating cozy nooks where you can sit and unwind. Let's dive into some key design tips that will make your Mediterranean garden feel like a rustic Italian retreat. These tips are not just about looks, they'll also enhance the comfort and ease of your space, especially for seniors. First, let's talk about color. Mediterranean gardens are all about warm, earthy tones, terracotta, olive green, and lavender purple. These colors are inspired by the natural landscapes of Italy, evoking that relaxed, sun-soaked vibe. Think of the rich, reddish-brown hues of terracotta pots or the deep green of olive trees, and how these colors blend harmoniously together. They don't just look beautiful, they also create a calming, peaceful atmosphere that makes your garden feel like an extension of nature itself. And you don't have to go overboard. A few key elements in these colors, maybe some lavender or a terracotta planter, will instantly infuse your space with that Mediterranean charm. Now, let's talk textures and layers. Mediterranean gardens love to play with different textures, and this is where the magic happens. You can combine smooth stones, rough wood, and soft plants to create a space that not only looks stunning but also feels great to the touch. Imagine walking along a stone pathway, feeling the rough texture underfoot, then running your hand across the soft lavender leaves as you pass. This mix of textures engages your senses, helping create a therapeutic, calming effect, perfect for reducing stress and adding to your overall sense of well-being. The key is layering textures and colors to create depth and interest in even the smallest of spaces. Smooth pebbles leading to a wooden bench or a cozy corner with a soft throw blanket. All these little touches add richness and warmth to your garden. Finally, let's talk about creating those cozy, relaxing corners in your garden. Every Mediterranean garden needs a spot where you can sit back, relax, and just enjoy the peace around you. Think about adding a reclaimed wood bench or some low-maintenance cushioned chairs. These are perfect for creating that intimate, cozy vibe. Make sure to think about shade and comfort, especially for seniors. A bench tucked under the shade of a tree or a pair of cushioned chairs with a soft throw can transform a corner into a perfect place to sip tea, read a book, or just unwind. These cozy corners should be functional, but also an extension of the garden itself. Add a small table for your coffee, maybe a potted plant or two, and you've got a place to truly enjoy the beauty of your garden and comfort. Now, I'd love to hear from you. What's your favorite Mediterranean plant? Are you a fan of lavender's calming scent, or maybe rosemary for its culinary uses? Or do you prefer something else entirely? Let me know in the comments below. I'd love to hear about your favorite plants or design ideas for your garden. Your comments are such a huge part of this community, so don't be shy. Share your thoughts, your plans, and let's inspire each other. What's one plant or design feature that you're excited to add to your garden? Feel free to ask questions too. I'm here to help. Let's talk about turning your dream Mediterranean garden into reality, even on a budget. You don't need to spend a fortune to create a charming space, just a bit of creativity and a few simple materials. Start with repurposed materials. You can transform old crates into rustic planters, or even use an old wheelbarrow to create a quirky garden feature. These simple DIY projects can give your garden a Mediterranean flair without breaking the bank. It's a perfect way to add a unique touch while being budget conscious. Repurposing doesn't have to be hard either. A fresh coat of paint, some potting soil, and a few plants can turn something old into something beautiful and functional in your garden. Another great DIY project is a small terracotta pot fountain. It's a lovely way to bring the soothing sound of water into your space. You can easily make this yourself with a few terracotta pots, a small pump, and some stones for a rustic touch. It's simple, affordable, and adds so much personality to your garden. And why not try creating some mosaic stepping stones? You can use broken tiles, stones, or even old pottery to make beautiful, one-of-a-kind stepping stones. These are easy to make and add a unique Mediterranean touch to your garden paths or corners. Now that we've created your beautiful garden, let's talk about keeping it thriving with minimal effort. For easy care plants, you can't go wrong with succulents, lavender, or olive trees. These plants are tough, low maintenance, and thrive in Mediterranean climates. They require little water, yet provide great texture and beauty. Succulents, especially, are perfect for seniors because they don't need much attention, making them ideal for keeping your garden looking gorgeous without extra work. Lavender not only brings color and fragrance to your space, but is also drought tolerant. And olive trees? They're not just beautiful, they're also perfect for small spaces and can be a wonderful addition to your Mediterranean-inspired garden. To make gardening even easier, I recommend investing in ergonomic gardening tools. These tools are designed to reduce strain on your hands and back, making it easier to garden without discomfort. Self-watering planters are also a fantastic option for reducing the time you spend tending to plants. With these, you can rest assured that your plants will get the right amount of water, even when you're not around. So, there you have it, your very own guide to creating a small Italian rustic garden that's perfect for seniors. With the right plants, simple design ideas, and a little creativity, you can transform any small space into a peaceful Mediterranean oasis. Not only will you have a beautiful garden to enjoy, but you'll also have a low-maintenance space that brings you relaxation and joy without all the heavy upkeep. Whether you're looking to unwind with a cup of tea, grow your own fresh herbs, or simply have a peaceful retreat, this Mediterranean garden is perfect for anyone looking to enjoy the beauty of nature, especially in a smaller, easy-to-care-for space. If you found these ideas helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more tips on how to make your garden your very own paradise. We're building a community of passionate gardeners, and I'd love to have you join us on this journey. Let's keep growing together.